For the latest on the coronavirus, we have seen the city announced a return to stricter COVID-19 fighting measures. Baltimore County says they don't want to do the same thing, at least not yet. But tonight they're calling on people to double down on protective measures so they can stay open. WMAR 2 News' Jeff Hager has more on this public appeal.
In the last week, Baltimore County has added more than 1,300 new COVID-19 cases, and it's experienced 10 more deaths. And the county executive is calling on people to remain vigilant or else. The spike in COVID-19 cases, while anticipated with the cold weather, is pushing Baltimore County to the brink of restoring restrictions. And it's left County Executive Johnny Olszewski pleading with residents to remain vigilant.
All of us want this pandemic to be over, but our frustrations with the disruption to our lives cannot stop us from doing the difficult but necessary work of slowing the spread of this virus.
Over the last 2 weeks, the rate of COVID cases has doubled in the county, and the positivity rate has jumped over 70%. Hospitalizations over the last month surged by over 150%. County leaders say residents should not let their guard down, in spite of news that Pfizer has come up with a vaccine with an amazing 90% effectiveness rate.
Once it is available for the entire community, in order for us to vaccinate the entire jurisdiction, the entire community, the entire nation, it's going to be almost a year.
The county announced it's allocating more CARES money to fund additional grants for restaurants and for the school system to purchase more protective equipment as it prepares to reopen, up to $100 per student. But for now, the challenge is for residents to keep the virus in check.
Avoid gatherings, avoid parties, and be responsible by wearing a mask all of the time. These are the best things that each of us can do. As I said before, I get it. The fatigue is real. I feel it too. But the virus does not care. We can't stop now.
If the case trend continues and hospitalizations continue to mount, Olszewski says he'll have no choice but to look at rescinding some of the openings he made earlier in the year. Reporting in Baltimore County, Jeff Hager, WMAR 2 News.